Lawrenceburg here. I'm a lubrication specialist with Cen-Pe-Co. If you haven't heard of Cen-Pe-Co, just look up anything that has to do with national truck and tractor pulling, and you will see that Cen-Pe-Co is being used by the leading competitors in that sport. We have more national champions than any other lubrication company. Today I'm going to show you one of the reasons that we have that title. This is a demonstration of our gear lube compared to other popular gear lubes that are out on the market today. This demonstration will simulate what happens in the gearbox of your vehicle, in your heavy trucks in the rear end with the ring and pinion gears. And so we're going to show you what that looks like. This is the best that we can come up with a motor and gear system to show you what's happening in there. So gear lube number one, we'll go ahead and fire our motor up and let you see what's happening here with that lube. This gear lube stays right in the bottom of the case. The gears are running and a little bit of splash going on out the outside of your transfer case or your gearbox, and really nothing else happening other than that. So we'll just real quick clean this up. We're using another Cen-Pe-Co product for that. Super Solve does a great job on grease and oil and cleaning up a motor. It's another product that we have available, so just want to make everything as fair as possible and have the beaters, or the gears in this case, as clean as we can for each of these products. Alright, on to gear lube number two. And again, we'll fire up and do the same thing, run up through our gears here, and again you'll see the splash over to the sides of the gearbox, and the gears themselves really not getting anything else on them other than what's sitting down in the lube. Do a clean up here quick. The nice thing about the Super Solve that we have is that it is water soluble. So if you spray it on your motor or anything that you want to degrease or clean up that way, as soon as you would hit it with water, it would dissipate and emulsify in the water and be gone, and there's no slimy, sticky film left. It's just clean. Now we'll go on to the Cen-Pe-Co high torque gear lube. These are all 80w-90 gear lubes. I should have told you that in the beginning, but the Cen-Pe-Co, you'll see as we start here, it has the property of climbing. It'll cling to your gears, climb up over all of those gears in the case, and put your lubrication where it's needed, not just in the bottom of your case. And you also see it's not being thrown around to the outside of the case like the others. Pretty easy to see why you would want to use that gear lube versus the other competing gear lubes. This is just a jar of water, and we'll take and pour a little bit of our 80w-90 in here just to show you that the cling effect that this gear lube has. It's pretty easy to see why you would want to have this in your transfer case or your gear box, the rear end of your trucks and so on. So just a quick demonstration to show you why Cen-Pe-Co is number one in gear lubes.